Rob Frazier here. So this video, my last video, I talked about a few tips on how I test capture pages with Discover Heal and Power Lead System. Today I want to go a little bit more. If you recall, in that video, I simply chatted about these two capture pages that I was running tests alongside of. So we had this capture page, 610 clicks I sent to it, 113 opt-ins, never mind my bird, 18.52% opt-in. And then I was testing it with my own page that I made through the Power Lead System, 611 clicks, 124 opt-ins for 20.29%. So getting a little bit better. So this video I want to talk about taking that to the next level, and this is just exactly what I've done with my own personal numbers, just with paid traffic. So in keeping with this same theme, number one, work from home system broken down into 3 simple steps, I kind of took that same basis and added a little bit more to the capture page. So I still kind of have that same number one, work from home system broken down, 3 steps idea. But these two capture pages, I kind of go off into a little bit different direction. How to get paid daily using Facebook and other proven traffic methods. So this capture page, I'm promoting something different, but I'm still testing the capture pages. And this is another one. Bird, it's all right. So whenever I start talking, he's a new bird, and I don't know if he gets stressed out. Anyways, so this capture page, just a little bit different, but it kind of is going off into a little tangent. It's kind of like Pandora, or I think it's called Pandora. You listen to a song and you pick, I don't know, classic rock or something, and then like after 2 hours it's playing like hip-hop music. I mean, because every single little song it plays is just a little bit different, and then it changes. And that's the same way with marketing and testing these capture pages. Bird, I'm almost done. So we have these two capture pages I gave you the stats for. And so we have these two capture pages that I tested as well. So of these two, can you guess which one did better? I personally thought this one would do better. But this page right here, 325 clicks, 88 opt-ins, 27.07% opt-in rate. So this page is doing better than this page and doing better than this page. So my next traffic run, you see how I'm getting my opt-in rate higher. So this page and that page, done. I already have this page, which gets me 27% over 20% of the last highest page. But this page right here, I actually had it in another traffic run. I sent 819 clicks to this page, and I got 240 opt-ins, so that's 29.3% opt-in rate. So of all of my capture pages, this one has done the best over the company replicated page, over my copy of that page, over my edited version of that page. So now I'm just shy of that 30% that I talked about in this video here as far as an opt-in rate goes. And so my next traffic run, I'm going to do the same thing. And I don't know if that bird is stressed because of my voice, but he's just going to have to eventually deal with it because I'm a video marketer and I talk loud, and he's going to have to get over it. It's the wife's bird. I've had birds when I was growing up. He'll be fine. I might move him in another room, or I might have to move my office out in the far corner of the yard all by myself to get away from all the animals and the chickens and the dogs and everything we have here. So anyway, back to the point. 29.3% opt-in rate here. So my next traffic run, this page obviously is getting me, what's that, at least 10 more percent opt-in rate over the other pages. And say I order 1,000 clicks, and the other capture page I get 200 leads. This capture page I get 300 leads, so that's a big jump. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take this page right here and test it with something similar. And so what I found was that, so the plain capture page was doing the best out of both of my tests. So now I'm at this page giving me close to that 30% opt-in rate. So now my next test, I'm going to take this. This is my highest converting page so far, 29.3% opt-in rate. And then my next traffic run, I'm going to pair it up with this plain page because both tests, the plain pages worked the best. So now I'm going to take this page and run it in another traffic order. And this page right here, I'm going to adjust a little bit. I'm going to make it, I'm going to base it off of this page, but I might change a few things with it. You know, discover 3 simple steps, how to get paid daily, and I might take Facebook off of there. And or something along that nature. So the point is to test your pages, see what works, because what you think works won't, and what you don't think will work better does work better. So in my case, I thought this page, it was too red, it was too blocky, there's a lot of words, but this page done the best. So I'm going to take this, and this page, I'm going to closely model it, but I might adjust some of the words. I might take Facebook off of there, something like that, and run another test, see which page does the best, and then I'm going to just keep increasing, keep doing that. And also what that does is that constantly changes your capture pages too, because if you just have one capture page and you're just slamming traffic to it, eventually it's going to stop working. And when you do stuff like this, you're always changing your capture pages, so it's always presenting a new angle or presenting something new to the marketplace, if you will. So that being said, wrapping this video up, if you got any value, please let me know. If my bird wasn't distracting enough, say, hey, Rob, you need to move that bird in the other room to do videos. Or, hey, Rob, I think it's funny. Or, hey, Rob, I didn't hear a word you said because I was too busy listening to your bird chirp back there. I don't know. Anyways, wrapping this video up, Rob Frazier here. If you want to work with me, my information will be in the description of this video. We will see you in the next one.